Alright, so this is my motor right now, how it stands. I ended up painting it all red, front and top. I replaced the gasket for the cam sensors. I replaced the N1 oil pump gear with a spool billet gear. I have the Rb OEM replacement water pump. I didn't end up putting no filter flange yet, but I'll get to that. I have the CX Racing engine mounts. One there and one here. Looks pretty nice. One more thing I'm gonna have to get to is gonna be that broken stud. Exhaust stud that is in there, and I'm not too sure how I'm gonna get it out, but I'm gonna have to think of how to get it out. I've done it once in school, but that was a long time ago. So this is the old motor. Still good, still runs nice and strong. I'm just not gonna use it right now. Later on I'm gonna actually rebuild it just in case I need a replacement motor. Here's the transmission. Nice and strong still. Nothing's bent in there. Everything's nice. So I'm gonna hold it off to the side right now. Maybe in the future replace all this right here. Sensors maybe. I don't know. Don't really have plans for it yet, but something might pop up. I like the motor. L28.
Can you dig it? Can you dig it?
Hi everybody, if you're still watching, thank you so much for watching. Definitely like and subscribe if you're interested in watching me complete my build. This is for the Rb25det into my 280ZX. Right now it's currently all wrapped up, but still got a little bit more to go. I didn't do anything as for the fenders, as for painting them, so made sure I got it all covered. I got a couple sections over here I need to actually cut off and weld and patch up. This one right here I have to actually do sometime this week. Other than that, everything else looks great. And I should be ready to actually get the motor in shortly. I'm going to do the bushings for the steering rack, try to align the steering wheel, and make sure the engine fits. I might have to bang this in to actually have the transmission fit. Overall, everything else looks great.